Hi, this is Tracy from Tracy Young Creative. I've sped up the filming. You can see I've prepared some papers, and this is what we're making today. Sort of a half round book, and it's no-sew. So I prepared these papers in advance, so they're a large sheet that's been folded, and then I've painted and coloured them just so it's easy for you to see what I'm doing. I'm using the ruler just as a guide, not really measuring, but just that then I'll have them all the same. And I'm just going to be cutting out a slice once I've put some invisibility tape. So this is the thing that hinges everything together, and this time I've just used the same paper as what I'm using, and it's not particularly strong, so that invisibility tape is just going to protect it. So I'm cutting out a little slot here, and that's what I thread all the pages through. And you can see I didn't do any big time measuring, I just did it. So I'm just reinforcing where the measurement is, and then I'm taking these little edges out, these little segments out of each of the ends of the page, you can see, and then you can see how I'm just threading them through, and it just kind of holds it all together. So I'm then looking for a round shape, and perhaps you'd like it in a different way. You can always change it. Some of them I had made into circles in the previous book, and so I'd already did an outline on this one, and some of them I cut before I put into the book, but some others I do later, so it's totally up to you. And also I'm laying the colours kind of in a bit of a sequence, but you can do what you like. And you can see there is a little pocket in each of these pages, which if you can use as a pocket, or you can open up to create another page, which has happened in my book. Sometimes I wasn't quite finished with what I wanted to do, and so I opened up another page. So you can just see here how I'm just threading each page through individually, having a little think about it. Do I want to have it already cut, or am I just going to put it in? You can always come back later and cut them out. I have made a whole half round book already cut and then threaded it together, which was quite interesting as well. But I'm liking this because you get, if half the round is done, you get this sort of back outline, which is kind of interesting in the pages. You can sort of have things peeking through. Normally I would sort of put a few pages through at a time, but because I'm kind of working on this and they've got different colours, I've kind of decided, I'll just go one thing at a time, one page at a time. But you can go faster, and you can always adjust things as well, and you can add more pages later if need be. And then the tricky thing is deciding, well, what's the front page? I think I was doing a little bit of a repair. Sorry, it's just off the screen there. A little bit of a repair with some invisibility tape, but there you have it. Yeah, well, thanks, and I hope you enjoy it and have a go and have it a play. Thanks.